What is going on, everybody? It's the Minecraft Ham, and today we are going to do a pretty sweet video. The creator of this game, well, we've been all waiting for it, and you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. Helicopters and airplanes. Oh my gosh. Who's excited for this? Yes, okay. So, you can either find them, and they're not normally on servers anywhere yet. But I think we're just in test mode right now. You can do it. Anybody can get these that hasn't turned. But basically what you're going to have to do right now to find them, you have to go, let's see, at vehicle, and then your name. Mine is Baconator, but you got to do short. Let's see. And then you do number 94. And that brings one in. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get in. So the first thing you're going to want to do in it, you're going to click W, nothing else. Don't even move the mouse. Okay. There you go. You are up in the air. What do you think about that? You're like, hey dude, I can't control. So you just go in. So for third person, you're gonna want to do that. Use the arrows. So let's see. Forward arrow is back. Back arrow is forward. Lean left. Lean right. And then you're gonna have to go with the WSD. Use D L S to turn left, and D to turn right. So now you got that. But if you want to do in first person, you can use the mouse. So the mouse, you can do that. Try to hold W at all times, or else you're going to fall to the ground. W, you can use that. Yeah, let's see. So W, and then D is left, S is right, up mouse is up, down is down, lean left, lean right, and you have to turn like this. But in my opinion, I like using third person for landing at least. Landing can get a little bit difficult. Let's see. So you just gotta come in like this. Okay. So you're gonna want to lean forward. This is for landing. So yeah, you gotta figure it out. It gets a little complicated at first. But you can figure it out. Anybody can figure it out. So yeah. Let's see, forward. I think, in my opinion, it's easier to land like this because you can see where you're landing. So you can tilt, if you want to move forward, you can tilt it forward a bit. You can tilt it back. And then you can just basically let yourself drop. But once you get a little bit closer to the ground, if you want to have a smooth, easy landing. So right now, right about here, you're going to want to start barely tapping it. And there's a zombie. So just going to get level. Oh my gosh. So let's go over this one more time. Vehicle. Oh no, you got to do that. Vehicle. Bacon / 94. Oh, well, let's go through 93. 93, yes, you've got it. 93 is a forest green Huey. Doesn't have any different features, just a different color. No different features. Different color. Make sure you're out of trees, ways. It's actually pretty sick because the blades, if you hit them on the trees or anything, you'll die. It's really cool. He has these small little tiny features that are really pretty cool on this kind of a game. So if you look at Seattle from up here, looks pretty boss. He's on Washington map, by the way. Here, let's go ahead and try to land on this this helicopter pad. I am not gonna be able to land on it, but it's okay. We can try this. So you can do some cool, really sick moves. That you can try to land it like that. Oh no! Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yes. Oh yeah, baby. Yes. Yes. Okay, we're gonna land. We're gonna land on the building. Everybody ready for this? So like if you're online, people would probably be shooting you by now, but good thing we're not playing on servers. Okay, we're coming in. We're coming in to land. Landing clear. Are we clear to land? Oh flip. Oh no. This is so flippin' hard. Okay. Pull back. Oh yes! We did it! Next step is an airplane. Yeah, you heard me. Airplane. So vehicle, your name, / it is number 92. So go ahead, spawn 92 in there. Oh yeah. Same thing with this. Turn left, turn right. You can, and when you take off, use the mouse to pull up. So basically push up with your mouse. So accelerate, W. Try not to hit any zombies. Oh. Okay. So yeah, you got your pretty awesome. You can see the alien site. The heck are they doing over there? I don't know. You can also go into third person mode. Lean left, lean right, backwards, forwards. Oh my gosh. To turn left and right wing. Like so. Yeah, but he does a really good job at this. Guys, go buy gold for this game. It supports him a ton. So yeah, so that's pretty much how these things are landable. You can use the mouse to turn and stuff. I think it's a little bit easier to use the mouse on this guy, not on the helicopter though. Yeah, but it gets a lot of getting used to. Not like a ton, but it takes some getting used to. So just bear with me here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and land. See all the beautiful sights from up here. Okay. Let's try to land. Frick. Okay. Okay, let's land on the bridge. Who's ready for this? Okay. Go ahead and stabilize. Oh, yes. Oh. Got it. So, yeah, guys. That is the planes update. Go try it out for yourself. This is on nobody's server. This is on by myself because I have no friends. Just kidding. Okay, guys. Thanks. Like and subscribe. Helps out. And thanks.